Morning for this morning's video, early in the morning. Kain tayo ng ichigo guys, strawberry, ichigo sa Nihongo. Ito yung condensed milk in a tube. Yan na, may nakalagay nga na alphabet. Alphabito sa, ang alphabet na dito naging alphabito. Ayan o, sa, nakasulat sa katakana and hiragana. Meruko no uishisa shikari daw. Ayan guys, lagyan natin ng toppings or toppings. Toppings man sa Nihongo, ang toppings lang naging toppings. Toppings. Yeah, I wish you. Craving guys, happy tummy. Craving satisfied. Bye-bye guys, thanks for watching. Happy, blissful Wednesday morning. That's it guys. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.